Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest beauty products to help you glow inside and out. Today, we're diving into something that promises to elevate your complexion: Pure Beauty Glow Illuminating Bronzer Skin Perfecting Powder. Whether you're aiming for that sun-kissed look or simply seeking to enhance your natural radiance, this product claims to deliver the perfect balance of glow and coverage. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This bronzer is designed to offer full coverage with a natural, radiant finish. Its smooth texture promises to blend effortlessly, providing a luminous glow without being overly sparkly or heavy. The shade we're looking at today is Cranberry, which has a rich, warm tone that seems like it could work for a variety of skin tones. The formula is designed to perfect the skin while adding a touch of color and luminosity. Upon applying it, the texture feels silky, and it blends quite well into the skin. I noticed that the powder isn't chalky, which is a big plus. For those of you who appreciate a bronzer that doesn't settle into fine lines, this one does a pretty solid job of staying smooth and giving the skin a natural finish. It's not too intense, so you can build it up gradually to your preferred level of warmth. As for wearability, I tried it both in the morning and through a full day of errands. I didn't notice any oxidation or fading by midday, which is always a win. However, depending on your skin type, you might want to set it with a light spray or powder for added longevity. It's a bronzer that feels like a second skin, lightweight, and doesn't require constant touch-ups throughout the day. The only downside I found is that the color may be a little intense for fair skin tones, so if you're on the paler side, you might want to go light with application or choose a more neutral shade. When it comes to value, Pure Beauty is a mid to high-end brand, and this bronzer is priced accordingly. While it offers good coverage and performance, the price tag may be a bit of a stretch for some, especially if you're used to drugstore bronzers. That said, you are paying for a formula that is finely milled and designed to stay smooth and radiant throughout the day. For those who are looking for that added glow and can invest in quality, this is certainly worth considering. Now, if you're looking for alternatives at a lower price point, there are plenty of drugstore options that give a similar finish, though, as with most products, the quality might vary. If you're seeking a bronzer with a natural glow, but at a more affordable price, you could check out brands like Milani or Physicians Formula. When it comes to the build quality, the packaging is sleek and durable, and the compact is easy to carry in your bag for on-the-go touch-ups. The product itself feels substantial, no flimsy components here. It's clear that Pure Beauty has put thought into the design and presentation. To wrap it up, the Pure Beauty Glow Illuminating Bronzer Skin Perfecting Powder certainly stands out for its smooth application, full coverage, and natural, radiant finish. If you love a bronzer that delivers a glow without being overly shimmery, this could be a great addition to your beauty routine. It's perfect for medium to deep skin tones, and if you're willing to spend a little more for that luxe feel and performance, this is worth trying. If you've tried this bronzer or have any favorites of your own, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover our honest reviews. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.